time of tyranny and oppression. His justice comes in the silence before dawn. A champion of the poor, his compassion is equaled only by his courage. Hunted by a corrupt government, his anonymity protects a secret code known only to the woman whose love he shares. Now, as the forces of vengeance close in around him, he will forge an alliance with the one man he considers his equal. And together, they will risk everything to protect a child who will one day become a legend. Now, experience one of the greatest martial arts adventures ever made. Iron Monkey Platinum Edition. In stores everywhere from February 16th.